Hi everyone, welcome to Michelin King. So today we're looking at a product called Treat. It's an interior plastic dressing and cleaner all in one. What I'm dealing with just now is a car that we picked up and it's got all-purpose cleaner, what I presume is all-purpose cleaner being used on the plastics and the leather, and it's unfortunately left quite unsightly run marks. So basically this will only come to light after the first sign of rain. So probably what's happened is the door's been left open, there's been some rain, and it's now left some marking on the plastic and the leather. So very simple product to use, just spray it on to the affected area. You can obviously do this on plastic that hasn't been affected. It is just simply a dressing and a cleaner, and what you'll see is it starts to nourish and clean the area straight away. Keeps your plastics nice and OEM finish, and it also keeps your rubbers flexible as well. So a great product to use on the door shuts. Just a straightforward spray on, wipe off product. Try and keep it away from the glass, just because it is oil based, so you want to just try and keep it on the plastics as much as possible. If you're looking for a leather dressing, we have a product called Nourish that is specifically for leather. This is specifically for your interior plastics. And also keep it away from your pedals and your doormats as well, guys, because it is very slippy. For pedals, we just always recommend a soapy solution, typically a degreaser, because you want to get all that stuff that's getting contaminated from your shoes onto the pedals off. So typically a degreaser for the pedals. So as you can see with the spray, it's night and day. Hopefully when you're able to see this on the big screen, then you'll see the difference. In some occasions you will need, just depends on how bad the marking was. Ours was quite significant, so you might need a couple of sprays on there. Just spray it on, wipe it off, let it dry, obviously assess the damage, and then go for a second round. Quite important to dress the top as well, because this is typically where your arm will rest, and when the window's down as well, that will probably bring in more contaminants. So it just keeps your plastics nice and clean, keeps them flexible as well, reduces the cracking, and it's also anti-UV as well. So very important if you live in a warm climate, or even not. UV is present nearly all the time, so it's just one of these strange anomalies. Again, you can see it's a nice uniform coating that they get on the plastics. It's a slight waterproof or water resistance to that as well, so even if you do get caught out in the rain, then it doesn't leave these terrible run marks that you can get with the all-purpose cleaner type product. The other thing that I would say is it makes your car a lot easier to clean second time round, because there's some kind of protection on there. So as I touched on just earlier on in the video, I would also use this on your door shuts and on the rubbers as well, especially in the winter. It will reduce the chance of the rubbers actually freezing to the bodywork. It just keeps them nice and supple. It's an absolutely great product. It's very versatile. We do offer a product for exterior plastics. It's solvent based. Again, it has water repellency as well, so it means it doesn't just rinse off or wash off within the first wash. It's a non-tack finish, so it's non-sticky as well, so it's nice and natural looking. It looks as if it just came out the factory. It's not a high shine finish, just what we call OEM, or what's typically now called in the industry a matte finish. So as you can see, I'm just spraying this directly onto the door shuts and round about the plastic areas in the dashboard. You always tend to find areas closest to the window, obviously they tend to get the most amount of wear and tear, just simply because that's probably where we put our hands and arms and such like. So just a quick wipe down is all you need. You don't need to work the product in, just keeps everything nice and clean, and again the finish is second to none. So guys, thank you very much for watching the video, and we hope you got something out of it. And as you can see just to my left hand side, that's the standard OEM finish that you'll get. So pick it up, Michelin King treat. Take care everyone, thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.